Hi, welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica. In today's video, I want to take you through how I kind of just take my summer decor, which is usually the lemons, the fruit, the summer fun type of thing, and then I just sprinkle in some patriotic for, you know, I could have done it for Memorial Day. I probably should have, but I wasn't here. I did it up north. But for the whole summertime, I like to have some patriotic, you know, once we get to that Memorial Day stage, throughout the whole summer. So I'm just going to take you along what I've been doing and loving for the last about a year and a half is really decking out my front entry and then just sprinkling a little bit inside the house so that there's not so much bright color. I just love to do it, the impact be right here in the front and on the back patio. And then, like I say, I just sprinkle a little bit around inside the house. So I just thought it would be fun to go along with me as I kind of just transform this area and bring some patriotic theme into our home. So let's get started. So as you can see, I just kind of come and bring my bins right here from the small garage, which I keep all of my seasonal decor there. And I've got two. I've got one that's basically just for inside, kind of servingware and that kind of thing, so I'll keep that in there. There are some things in these boxes that I will use inside. I don't have a huge amount of patriotic decor, but I just bring everything out here to the front porch, and then I just start pulling what I think might work and, you know, kind of just go from there. I know I have wreaths for this glass door and some pillows and stuff, so I'm excited to just, you know, kind of play around. But this is kind of what I do. I just pull from these bins whatever decor I'm using and just see what I think works. I think what I might look for, and the best place to do that is Amazon, is maybe look for some pillowcases, waterproof outdoor pillowcases to put on the couch here. I'll show you what I'm talking about when we do the final walkthrough. But I think that's pretty much all I would think I would need. So anyhow, I'm just going to start pulling and we'll put this together.
you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete.
Okay, so here's how we landed. Some things didn't quite work out, but I'm gonna still keep trying to see what I can do. But excuse me. So I just like to line the walkways with the flags. You know, it's a very inexpensive, you know, but gives you a nice little pop of the patriotic. I went ahead and took a wreath that we had on the dining room door and just put it here with a cute little God Bless America sign. I think that turned out really cute. And so this is the entry to our front patio. And then just with the planters I already had, I just added a couple of, you know, little spin wheels just to give it a little oomph. And then over here I ran up to Hobby Lobby and found these cute little pillow covers. And I think it's just exactly what, you know, this little area needed. It is so windy today. I am so sorry. We've got the, you can see the umbrellas going crazy. So this is the front little sitting area. And then over here, I already had the flowers. If you saw my summer lemon kind of themed, I went ahead and just added this in because I knew it was going to be coming. But I just added some, you know, flags and some little filler type of thing, and, you know, just made that little area really cute. Added some little flags to the greenery over here. My granddaughter still loves coming over here and just going down the slide, so it's still here. The long banners I had going here, they're not sticking at all. So I'm gonna keep trying. I got them at the Target dollar spot. But you know, they'd be cute, but they just, with the wind, it just isn't working very well. But maybe an indoor application would be good. Went ahead and added our wreaths, patriotic wreaths out here. And some pillows, flags. Also a new mat. I didn't want to forget that. And so then over here, what I did is just what you saw is I just, you know, kind of sprinkled in, you know, the patriotic with the lemon. Then I always love, you know, every person that comes to the front door always loves how decorated it is for every season out here. And I just love it. I think it's really, really sweet and festive. And I just love it. This was the best Facebook Market find I have ever had. I absolutely love it. And I just think that this time of year, it just really is, it just, I don't know, it's just really, it gives me a smile. It just is just a fun time of year. Another thing that, you know, doing this, kind of having your summer stock and then bringing in some patriotic, and, you know, like using the flags and stuff, it makes it where it's not so expensive. Oh my gosh, this wind is completely opening up the door. It just makes it to where you're not having to go and spend, you know, a lot of money on a whole new theme. You know what I mean? You're just adding into what you had. So if it's fruit or it's lemons or it's whatever, you know, like this little sign, I just added that down to the bottom, you know, and then just added in little touches of my patriotic. Again, some of the flags, some of the filler, a new, you know, I use this at Christmas time too, so it's, you know, and a new mat. Again, this, you know, if you had like a little pillow, you could put that right here. And then I just added to the wreath I already have, because it's pretty neutral, I just added the flags. You know, instead of going and buying a whole nother wreath, I just added to what I have. And I do that a lot, like, you know, depending on the season. There's some wreaths I have for each particular, you know what I mean, like Christmas or whatever, but a lot of times I just add to that one. So here's just a final little look here. I just think it's really, really, you know, a fun spot to walk up to. And you know what? There's still so many people that don't realize this is the front door. I have so many deliveries that actually end up over here, that this is the front door. But anyhow, this is how this all area turned out, and I think it's super cute. And then in the entry, I just added a couple of banners, couple of the flags up into what I already had. So that's, you know, very inexpensive and easy. Added them up into here. Had a couple of these little filler, you know, like little tier tray type of thing. Just added them too, and then I just combined these really fun banners. And I think it is so cute and so festive without being, you know, over the top. And then I just added some flags to this little hanging. And overall, it's just a really sweet place. Here I didn't do a whole lot. I just, again, added some flags, you know, to the little, you know, arrangements that I already had in here. They just bring, you know, a nice festive look without, you know, being too much. And then I just added this runner. I bring this out every year. It's red, white, and blue, but it's not as, you know, like bold, I guess. And just kept, I've got a little salt and pepper shaker. And I just kept my arrangement and, you know, have the plants behind us. And the runner. And that's it. In the family room, I just put up this cute little banner to go with the lemons. That made it super simple. And I just added a little flag over here to this arrangement. Look at these dogs. They think they're gonna die because they're outside for 2 minutes. Ay, ay, ay. Whoop, gotcha. So, yeah, very simple. In the kitchen, again, very simple and inexpensive. Just, you know, change out some towels. That makes it super, you know, inexpensive but festive. added just a little bit of this filler that I had from when I would do tier trays and stuff. So, you know, that just kind of sets in with the lemons. These are all artificial lemons. I just filled up the cookie jar. It's just a fun, you know, little way to have some decor. And then over here, well, I guess I just, you know, this little door ringer thing. But then over here, I've got the stuff to set a little table. And this is always really cute. And these are plastic. I got these at Hobby Lobby a couple years ago. And the kids just love them. So I think this is a cute little setup, you know, for the kids. I change out my little, there's an ornament kind of for every time of the year. So got my patriotic there, added this fun. I got this at TJ Maxx last year. It's yarn. It's a really beautiful flag. And so, you know, that's it. But it, you know, it gives that festive summer, you know, red, white, and blue. Everybody knows that's 4th of July, Memorial, Labor Day. You know, it's just fun. So, but, you know, I tried to make it simple. I brought out, you know, just napkins that I already had. And it's just, I think it's really, you know, sweet. It's a sweet and cute. It's not overwhelming. It's not like, oh my gosh, Mom went overboard. It's just a fun. So I hope I was able to give you some great ideas. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you see that you can just add in, you know, touches of each season without, if you're not one that wants to do a lot, you can just bring in sweet little touches and it becomes really, really fun. And if you've got kids, they love it. My grandkids love coming in and always seeing what Mimi did, you know, to decorate for whatever season. So enjoy. I hope you liked it. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already, and hit that notification button. It doesn't do anything but just notify you anytime there is a new video. So have a great day. I thank you and appreciate you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?